Julius Caesar, Act 3, Scene 3. It's a very short scene, and it's a funny scene. The conspirators have ran out of Rome, and the mob is angry and they want revenge for Caesar's murder. Antony has brainwashed them into believing that they have been fooled by the conspirators. And since the conspirators are not available, the mob can vent out their frustration even on innocent people. And this is what happens here. The scene starts with Cinna, the poet, not Cinna, the conspirator. He has a premonition that something bad is about to happen. Yet something pulls him out of the house. Maybe his fate. His death must be knocking at the door. Various citizens approach him. And the first, second, third, fourth citizens, they ask him some questions. Like a rapid fire. Who are you? Where do you live? Where do you come from? Where are you going? On what purpose? Are you married or not? Question seems quite illogical. And he is not allowed to answer. Instead, he is given instructions. Answer quickly, answer briefly, and answer in a straightforward manner, honestly. Cinna is a poet. He's creative. He rephrases all the questions. He takes his own sweet time and ultimately answers only one question in a straightforward manner. He says that, my marital status? Well, I'm a bachelor. This angers one of the citizens, stating that, are you trying to mock all the married people? Are you trying to say that being bachelor is better than being married? Well, I'm sure you have your own opinion about this. Then he answers the next question. He says that I'm going to Caesar's funeral. So he's asked, are you going as a friend or as a foe, an enemy? He says, I'm going as a friend. Then he's asked, where do you stay? He says, I stay at a place which is near the capital. And finally, when he reveals his name as Cinna, the mob wants to kill him. They misunderstand him to be the conspirator. But he immediately clarifies and he says that I'm not Cinna the conspirator, I'm Cinna a poet. Yet, that doesn't change the mind of the mob. They say, let's kill him because of his bad verses. He must be a bad poet. Now, I doubt if these citizens even have read his poems. They just want some excuse to kill him. He again begs, saying that just because my name is the same doesn't mean that I'm a bad person. So they conclude that fine, let's remove his name from his heart, which is as good as killing him. And then they declare that let's burn the houses of all the conspirators since we cannot kill the conspirators themselves. And then the scene concludes. Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, if you'd like to enroll for my test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check my description for more information.